Hello everyone. In today's session, topic is search engine optimization. It is very important topic when you are dealing with real-time creating of your web application. This session comes into picture when you have decided to build your own web application, okay, and you have content in ready format. You have all the content, but now question is how you organize this content, how you organize linking of web page so that there is more chance to get your web application content in your search engine. Okay, whenever you search something in your browser engine, Google engine, okay, for example, then you can see that first message will be like that, this number of hundreds of results within 0.48 second, like that. Okay, so these are the results when you search a query. So whenever you are building your own web application, what is your goal? That maximum visitors should visit your web page, okay, to get their desired content. So this is all about search engine optimization. So search engine optimization, all about optimizing a website for search engine. Now what techniques are included in SEO? The first one is designing and developing a website to rank well in search engine results. We will see what is rank. Okay, improving the volume and quality of traffic to a website from a search engine. That means your traffic should be quality, and it improves the volume of traffic to your website whenever we search a query and search engine gives us a result. Marketing by understanding how search algorithm works and what human visitors might search. According to that strategy, we are going to optimize our search engine techniques. Now, if you plan to do some basic SEO, the first thing you need to understand is how search engine work. Okay, then only you will build your web application to search engine optimization. The first action that is performed in search engine work is crawling. Okay, now what is crawling? Whenever you search something in your web browser, okay, whenever you search something over internet, then your browser engine, your search engine, it will send out a crawl. That means for example spiders, okay, to find your find content relevant to your search query. For example, if I typed let's say what is SEO, for example, okay, what is search engine optimization, I just Google it. So what will happen? Your search engine will send out spider crawling. For what purpose? To get the content of that satisfy user's query. For example, what is SEO? Okay, now what happened? It sent out spider, and that spider will snatch out one URL, and by reaching that URL, it will find updated URL content. Now whenever you search something, okay, it will be in form of a text, it can be image, video, like this, okay, or PDF also, but this format is for you. But for search engine, it is just a simple URL link. Okay, so search engine needs to do is to find updated URL link to satisfy users query. Okay, so these things to snatching out, to score content that is most relevant to your user's query is crawling process. After that there comes indexing. So what is indexing? To store and organize the content found during the crawling process. Now once a page is in the index, it's in the running to be displayed as a result to relevant queries. Now whenever I search, for example, okay, so whenever whatever I got as my first URL, as my first link, okay, so it is indexed as a higher index. What will happen? my spiders were gone, okay, to find a content relevant to my user's query. Now whatever they have get in crawling process, it is stored in our database, okay, and in database they were indexing, they are get indexed, so that it will put according to users query. After that comes ranking. It provide piece of content that will best answer a researcher's query, which means that results are ordered by most relevant to least relevant. Whenever you search something and whatever you get as a first link, for that link I can say that it has highest rank, okay. And whenever you creating your web application, your motive is to get highest rank in SEO technique, in search engine working, okay, like that. After that, what is SEO copywriting? It is generally SEO, search engine optimization, also referred as SEO copywriting, because most of the technique that are used to promote your site in search engine deal with text. Whatever text you have in your web application, it should be organized in such a proper way that it promote most in search engine. SEO copywriting, it is a technique of writing viewable text on a web page in such a way that it reads well for the surfer and also target specific search items. Now SEO copywriting, it is technique so that whatever text in your web page, it should be displayed in your target screen in such a way that whatever query is fired in your search engine, you get idea what is for this link is. For example, if I am searching what is SEO, okay, and before clicking that link, I get one description of a text, okay, and by reading this text I can get idea whether it is relevant to my query or not, so that I should click it or just ignore it, okay. So this text should be enough efficient so that it describe what you are providing for researcher's query. Its purpose is to rank highly in the search engine for the targeted search terms. Now, how search engine rank? This is all just I have said earlier. Whenever you search any keyword using a search engine, it displays thousands of results found in its database. I will show you in one image itself. A page ranking is measured by position of a web page displayed in the search engine result. And search engine is putting your web page on a first position, then your web page rank will be number 1 and it will be assumed as a page with the highest rank. I just explained you earlier in search engine activity. Now, what is on-page and off-page SEO? There are two technique of optimizing. The first phase related to on-page SEO. Now, what comes under on-page SEO? It include providing good content, good keyword selection, putting keywords on correct place, given appropriate title to every page. This all activity related to this kind of sort is it comes into on page SEO. And whatever the rest link building, increasing link popularity by submitting open directories and search engines, link exchange, this all comes under off page SEO. What does it mean? If I am doing something related to good keyword selection, putting keyword on correct places, giving appropriate title, then it will becomes into on page SEO, okay. For example, if I am while building web application, I am dealing with where this link should be linked to other page, where this link should be placed so that user will get content in appropriate way, in ordered way, okay. So it is off page SEO. Now, how to improve search engine optimization at the earlier stage of web application? There are certain techniques, there are certain steps that you should follow while building your web application. For example, first one is page structure and organization. To make your website SEO friendly, satisfy its user. Okay, your first priority is to satisfy your users. High on page time and low bounce rate can only be achieved with a high quality product, and a high quality start with good structure, that is related to page structure and organization. Now after that, second thing is develop a content strategy. Most popular approach is creating a blog and then filling with unique articles that highlight specific aspect of your area of business. Your content should be in proper way so that it get highlight from a specific aspect. Outline a solid content strategy before beginning development. After that, create an SEO friendly website structure. Clearly structured website is easier for search engine to index and crawling process, which helps increase its search engine ranking. On top of that, some engines put website structures to create site links. Yes, obviously. For example, over here you can see that whenever I search something web and mobile software development related, okay, so this is a content I get, okay, while during my surfing process. Now you can see that over here, search engine pull website structure to create site link. Whether I want to my query related is to contact us for blog or a company or a service related. Okay, so if your website is SEO friendly and have structure like this, structured well, then you can get output like that. Now after that, write appropriate title tag. Okay, so whenever, for example, I have googled still kiwi, okay, so still kiwi, this is title of my page. So your title should be in proper order with proper keyword, using proper keywords, so that I whenever I google it, whenever I queried it about it, all the related page should come in as my result. After that, keep them short and meaningful. Okay, this is also a very good strategy to increase your to make your web page SEO friendly. Include keywords in the title. Make good use of meta tag. Now this is your meta tag. For example, if this is written in your meta tag, whenever I get a link related to my query, okay, as I have tell you earlier, there should be some descriptive tags, okay, to tell your user for what purpose this web page is building and what will provide you. Okay, so this is how you make good use of meta tag. After that, it include appropriate keyword. For example, if I googled software development company, okay, so Google will give me results of thousands of development company. Okay, but if I search web and mobile software development company in Ukraine, okay, so whatever the companies are there in Ukraine, okay, you will get that kind of content only, not all the development company. It can be any kind. It is related to mobile phone, it is related to web related, or it can be another type. Okay, so your appropriate keyword is necessary. After that, be specific, be centered to your web application only. Technical aspects is also there and you have to deal with them. Now go for a mobile friendly design. Nowadays it is trending that whenever you design one web application, it is also a trend that you should design mobile friendly design. Also mobile app also should also be built there. Okay, after that, maximize loading speed. After that, use HTTPS. Now why you should use HTTPS? Because it is more secure and it will provide more I can say secure, as well as it is more nowadays it is to use this kind of content. Make sure content is indexable. Avoid content duplication. After that, build appropriate URL structure. Use static URL. For example, this is example of poor link. Why? Because over here this kind of stuff is, it shows that you are using dynamic URL. Okay, now what will happen, for example, this is dynamic link. Okay, I like the content of this link, it is very useful, but after that when I have shared this link with my friend, okay, then it will get link is not found. Why? Because that link was dynamic, now it has changed. Okay, so it will create a problem. So your URL should be static URL. For example, like this over here, making use of virtual reality in healthcare. So this is a static URL. Now after that, structure link for crawling. Now over here, first see this is poor internal linking. Okay, how it is poor? First, whenever in your web application, this is your home page. Okay, and in home page there is a page 1, page A, and page A is linking to nothing. Page A is linking to nothing. Okay, so how will you get to page F, page G, page D? Because there is no connection. How will you get it? Okay, so your good internal linking should be like this. From your home page you can get access to page A, C, D and G. Okay, for example, if there is a page A, now from page A itself you can get content of your page F. Page F, it is landing page B. Okay, landing page B. So this is the whole how you can get access to all your link in proper way. There is no deadlock anything. There is something like deadlock. You can not get entire content of your web application. Now there are certain tips related to SEO. To-do list. First we see to-do list. Create a sitemap. Help, fact, about us, link to us, copyright, disclaimer, privacy policy pages on mandatory basis. There should be such kind of page in your web application. Create a homepage link to each and every web page and provide easy navigation through all the pages. After that, pay attention to your dynamic page URL. Google can crawl and index dynamic page as long as you don't have more than 2 parameters in the URL. That means if it is mandatory to have dynamic URL, then be careful. That should not have more than 2 parameters in your URL. Check your complete site for broken links. Broken links will reduce your other page rank as well. Broken links, that means there is no any navigation to reach that URL. After that, don't list. Don't list. Do not try to fool your site visitors by using misspelled keyword. Okay, in generally YouTube, you may have experienced it. In generally YouTube, I just got my favorite movie. Okay, and I am happy that my movies is there in YouTube and I can see it. But whenever I click on it and I get something movie that related to South, and I don't know what is that. Okay, so this is related to this. Don't fool your visitors. Don't spend spam emails to thousands of email IDs. Don't use too much graphics on your site. Because if you are adding too much graphic, then it will take time to load this page, and generally visitors don't want to wait. Okay, so your overall website should be like that. You can get content easily, and it should not take any load while displaying results. Don't create too many doorway pages. Don't try to create duplicate contents of pages. After that, don't submit your website many times in a single search engine. Don't use subdirectory depth more than 1 or 2. That means to get your content, there should be just 1 or 2 step subdirectory. It is not like that. Click on that, after click on that, after click on that, and you will get actual content. It should not be like that. Don't create too many dynamic page. Try to convert them into static page, and don't nest your page. So this is all about this is all about SEO. Okay, and I hope you understood it. Very simple topic. If you want to understand it, just search something and you will get the answers. Okay, whatever you get in your first URL link, that particular URL has highest rank among all the results. Okay, so I hope you, whenever you build your own web application, you will keep this point into mind and build a SEO friendly, that is search engine optimization friendly website. Thanks for watching. Thank you.